How to quickly manage character case in Excel. When would this be useful? For example, if you receive a list of employees that has been hastily compiled without observing the rules of capitalization, written in all caps or simply in lowercase letters. Fixing this is very simple. In a free column, select a cell and enter equals proper. The argument will be the reference to the first cell in the list. This function will make all words start with a capital letter. Stretch the function to the height of the entire list. Copy the selected range and paste it in place of the original list as values. If you want all words to be capitalized, use the upper function. The remaining steps are the same as the first option. If, on the contrary, you want the text to be written in lowercase, use the lower function. If you found this video helpful, please like and comment to support the channel. Subscribe to know more. See you in the next video.